Very good morning. In this video we are going to see introduction of the operation amplifier. In short form it is called as op-amp. What is operational amplifier? An operational amplifier is a circuit that performs such mathematical operations as addition, subtraction, integration and differentiation. Op-amp is a multi-stage amplifier. This means operational amplifier consists of more than one amplifier in the circuit. There are three stages of operational amplifier are as follows. First one is input stage. The input stage is consists of differential amplifier. Second one is high gain common emitter amplifier stage, and the third stage is called as output stage. The output stage is consists of emitter follower circuit. So this is a block diagram of op-amp. This is input voltage, applied input voltage. V0 represents as the output voltage. This is the first stage, consists of differential amplifier stage. Second stage is stages of gain of the amplifier, and the last stage is emitter follower circuit. So this is a symbolic representation of operational amplifier. It has three important terminals. One is non-inverting input terminal. This means positive terminal. Another one is called as inverting input terminal. This means negative terminal. These two terminals are input terminals. So this is output terminal. We measure the output voltage across the terminal with respect to the ground. In addition to these three terminals, two terminals comes in the play. One is a positive voltage, another one is a negative voltage. Next one is very important characteristics of operational amplifier. First one is ideal op-amp. An operational amplifier is a multi-stage amplifier. The input stage of op-amp is differential amplifier stage. It has two input terminal. One is inverting input terminal, another one is non-inverting input terminals. It has very high input impedance. Usually it is assumed infinitive at both ends, and a low output impedance, generally less than 200 ohms. A large open loop voltage gain, typically 10 to the power 5. The voltage gain remains constant over wide range of frequency. It has very large CMRR. It is greater than 90 decibel. CMRR means common mode rejection ratio. This is very important characteristics of operational amplifier. Next we are going to see what is a difference between ideal op-amp and practical op-amp. In ideal case, input impedance is infinitive. In practical case, input impedance is 500 kilo ohms to 2 mega ohms. In ideal op-amp, zero output impedance. In practical op-amp, output impedance 2200 ohms. Here Input open loop, infinity open loop gain. Here open loop gain is 200k to 20k to 200k. Here in infinity bandwidth, the bandwidth is limited a few kilohertz. Zero noise contribution has noise contribution. Zero DC output offset, non-zero DC output offset. Next we are going to see what are the important applications of operational amplifier. Some of the typical applications of operational amplifier are listed below. One is inverting amplifier, another one is non-inverting amplifier, next one integrator, next one is differentiator and summer. So these are all the important applications of operational amplifier. In the next class we are going to discuss applications of operational amplifier. Thank you.